Hi everyone, it's the Alfa GT again, just a quick video. Just wanted to show you how to remove the front grills, because it could be helpful if you need to get access to the lock on the bonnet. It is easy to remove them, you don't need any special tools. It's basic tools, plastic pry tool will do. What you do, you just go from this side and you pry it up. There's two pegs on the back of this. On this side you've got two pegs which hasn't got any locking system. The other side's got the little latch on it. So if you're going to pry from this side, it's going to be a lot easier. Otherwise it's going to be a bit awkward and you might break something. So easiest way to do it is just to pry on the right hand side, in this case on the left hand. Pry from the side of the headlight and it will pop. Just pry at the bottom, then to the top, and it will just come out, and then you can kind of access the lock from the inside. Just to show you how it works before you're going to break something on yours. Hope it will help someone. I shall see you soon. We're going to get back to the Alfa soon. It is